few minutes later, you should see the hello screen. Let's move on to set up your iPhone. Choose a Wi-Fi which is available and stable. Then it will be the passcode. And here comes the important part today, the apps and data. As you can see, the first option is called Restore from iCloud Backup, which is the one we're gonna choose. Tap on it and enter your Apple ID which you used to upload the backup to iCloud. Then enter the passcode for other iPhone. Later, you can see the backup list here. Choose one you need to restore to your iPhone and tap on it. So you've done almost things. Later, it will start to restore from iCloud. The remaining time depends on how large your backup is, and also your Wi-Fi speed is fast or not. But anyway, just keep patient. If your iPhone is in low battery, don't forget to charge it during restore. When the restore finished, iPhone will reboot. And all the data has been transferred to this phone now.